Hi everyone, Joe Kaiser here with Kaiser Group Realty. We're here in Woodland Park, Colorado, the city above the clouds. And I gotta tell you, it's a gorgeous day here today. I wanna show you a beautiful 5-bedroom, 4-bath home, huge family room, open kitchen design, split ranch, sitting on a third of an acre. This property is coming in at $385,000. Again, we're just gonna bring it on the market here this weekend. It's not gonna last long. Let me show you what's happening inside. Come on, take a look.